I'm going to be showing you how to fix email does not exist in Discord in your iPhone. So if Discord on your iPhone says email does not exist, it usually means you're trying to log in with the wrong email or the account was never created or disabled. So what you can do is check you're logging in correctly. Make sure you're on login and not sign up, and make sure there are no spelling mistakes, no spaces, correct dots and letters, and try the copy paste option to avoid typos. You can try logging in with the username instead. On login screen, enter your username instead of email, then enter your password. This works if you know your exact username. So you also need to make sure that the account really exists. You can go to Safari right there. Once you're here, you need to go to discord.com/login, and you need to try logging in here. If it still says email does not exist, then Discord doesn't recognize that email. You can also try forgetting your password. The option is right here. Just enter the email you think you used. If no reset email arrives, that email is not linked to a Discord app. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix email does not exist in Discord iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.